So I opened up Selenite's crate so she could come out, and her wound is doing a lot better. It's got the scab on it, and so I cut the dressing off, and you know, I had it where it was just like over it, not really on it itself, just over it so it could get air. So it did have the scab. So I took her out so she could come out and walk around and stuff. First thing she did was get in the dust bath, and then she got underneath over there and took another dust bath. And look, all the other chickens, except for one, is inside her crate eating food, which there's plenty in there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Well, two of them's out now. Rose and Amethyst is out. The others are all in. But she's over here walking around. She's still walking funny with her leg. See how she does her leg? She thinks she still has the bandage on, and she's trying to use her foot to pull it off, where it wraps around under her chest and around. She doesn't have it there, but she's still doing that because I guess she still feels it there. So I took her out so that she could be with the girls for a while I'm sitting here. So she probably took a 15-minute dust bath. The other ones are all still in there. Oh, she's doing much better. I've been out here with her probably for an hour so she could be with the others, because you don't want them to be away from them too long, because then they'll be doing their little pecking order thingy again. That's why I've had it over here where the other girls could just be all around all the time. She could still be part of the flock. She has enjoyed that. Yeah, I hope she's not picking at it. I'm gonna walk around over there to see the other side. I'm sure she's going to be, because she's preening her feathers also. But unless she's facing that side toward me, I really can't tell which is that side again. She's just doing her feathers. She's not really on the owie. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Let me see. Let's wait. I gotta put this down. So you can see right there where the scab is off now. Oh, dang it, it scared me. Okay. Okay, I put her on the table and checked her out. She didn't really like pick at it, like pick to hurt it to make a place. I think she was maybe checking it out, trying to clean around it, but the scab is not there anymore from her taking a dust bath, but she's actually healed underneath it. The couple little spots you see was where the scab was still on her, and that wound was about the size of I would say a $50, and it was about a ½ inch deep, and it's healed up pretty good. Now I can't stay out here with her all this time, and I do want her to spend some time with the others, but they're all over there, every one of them in her crate, and she's out here. Amethyst and Rose. Black Tourmaline's got her head in there. And Jasper's the one with the saddle, and then you got Smokey in there. And then you got majestic laying out there on his back, enjoying the weather. So I'm hoping she stays busy with the others, but they're all in there. Suppose I should get them out. Not that they're hurting anything, but just so that she can spend time with Selenite. Y'all go on out now. Go on. Go on out. Go on out. Come on out. Go spend time with your buddy over there. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Go on out. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let me close this gate. There. Now they're over there with her. And that'll keep her mind off of her owie. Now from the last video that you will see before this one, because I have them scheduled, so they're several days behind when you see them. I did end up taking that outfit off of her that I have on her now, and I put one wrap around her and extended some flaps on it, just so she couldn't get to it. But when I let her out over here today, first thing she wanted to do is take a dirt bath, and that wrapping that was around her was kind of restricting her from really taking a good dirt bath, so I cut it off of her and put this back on her. Oh. Making sure she's not getting to that owie. Every time she starts to pick on that side, she's just cleaning her feathers right now, I think. What? Good Jasper over there picking at it like, hey, what is that? Mine's pink and yours is blue. Yeah, she's just doing her feathers. I'm just hoping that, you know, where the scab came off, that it's just not still a little raw. See how she does her leg? She thinks she still has the strap on underneath her. No, she's just cleaning her feathers. I just don't want her to find it and then start picking at it. She's still laying good. Lays every day. She always turns where I can't see that side. You okay? Hmm? You okay? Trying to see that side. She's gonna go in there where I can't see her. Sure, she feels good without that wrapping all the way around her. They're all cleaning their feathers because they were all underneath right there, taking another dust bath instead of being over there today, because I opened up this side right here again so you can see the house, because it's a nice day. It's really cold in the morning, but the selenite where she's going to be at over there in the pen, it's still covered. But that way they can get some sun over here whenever it comes out. It was out. Right now it's cool. He likes to lay there and watch them anyway. Y'all gonna move out of the way so I can keep an eye on selenite? Huh? All of y'all cleaning up your feathers after your bath? Huh? Come on out of the way. Come on. She's like, oh, it feels good to have that wrap off of me. That's what I'm trying to keep an eye on in there. Oh, maybe if I come out, come over here, they'll come out. Come on, chick, 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 chick. I don't think she's picking at her owie. I think she's just cleaning close to it. Thank you everybody for watching my videos. I appreciate it. I paused because I was trying to fix this and pull it out more where I dug that trench in the back. So I'll fix this before I go out. We're all going around to the front. So thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.